Hi, I'm Joseph Phillips. I'm the author of several books on project management, and I'm your instructor for this course on the PMP Illustrated. This is a course that was developed by Mike Griffiths, and I'll be teaching the content. Mike developed this course to help us have a visual look at key concepts. So you're going to see a lot of fun and cute illustrations throughout the course, lots of graphics as we talk through these different exam objectives. Now, this is a course that focuses on all of the PMP exam objectives. So we're going to walk through the PMP Exam Content Outline. You don't want to make the mistake that your exam is only based on the PMBOK guide. Truth be known, the PMBOK guide is just one of several inputs to your PMP exam success. So it's best to take a look at the PMP Exam Content Outline, because PMI is telling us exactly what you'll be tested on. Now, this is a course that will give you a good, solid foundation and help you identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, your SWOT analysis. So we'll be walking through the 3 domains for your PMP exam. We'll be taking a look at people, which is worth 42% of your exam. We'll be looking at processes, which is worth 50% of your exam. And we'll round things out with the business environment, which is worth just 8% of your exam. A lot of information packed into the exam content outline. So our goal for this course is to look at every single task within each domain and every single enabler, which are how you accomplish the task within each domain. A great opportunity to build a strong, solid foundation as you prepare to pass, not just take, the PMP exam. I have confidence you can do this. You're going to really enjoy this course. So let's get started right now with you working towards passing the PMP. I'll see you in the course.